Homemade Arabian fried kibbeh balls with guava lime refresher, iftar and Ramadan special. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we're bringing you a special recipe perfect for iftar and Ramadan, homemade Arabian fried kibbeh balls paired with a refreshing guava lime refresher. This recipe is not only delicious but also affordable and beginner-friendly. So, let's dive in. Let's start with the ingredients. For the homemade Arabian fried kibbeh balls, you'll need 1 cup of bulgur wheat, 500 grams of ground beef or lamb, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, salt and pepper to taste, vegetable oil for frying. And for the guava lime refresher, you'll need 2 ripe guavas, peeled and diced, juice of 4 limes, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 cups of water, ice cubes, fresh mint leaves for garnish. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparation. Step 1. Preparing the kibbeh mixture. Start by soaking the bulgur wheat in warm water for about 30 minutes until it becomes soft. Once softened, drain any excess water. In a large bowl, combine the soaked bulgur wheat, ground beef or lamb, chopped onion, olive oil, ground cumin, ground coriander, salt, and pepper. Mix well until everything is thoroughly combined. This mixture will form the base of our kibbeh balls. Step 2. Shaping the kibbeh balls. Take a small portion of the kibbeh mixture and roll it into a ball between your palms. Place the kibbeh balls on a plate or tray lined with parchment paper, and set aside. Step 3. Frying the kibbeh balls. Heat vegetable oil in a deep frying pan or pot over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the kibbeh balls into the oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the kibbeh balls in batches for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Use a slotted spoon to remove the fried kibbeh balls from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Repeat the frying process with the remaining kibbeh balls. Now that our homemade Arabian fried kibbeh balls are ready, let's move on to preparing the guava lime refresher. Step 4. Making the guava lime refresher. In a blender, combine the diced guavas, lime juice, sugar, and water. Blend until smooth and well combined. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness according to your preference by adding more sugar if needed. Once you're happy with the flavor, fill serving glasses with ice cubes and pour the guava lime mixture over the ice. Garnish each glass with a sprig of fresh mint leaves for a pop of color and flavor. And there you have it, our homemade Arabian fried kibbeh balls with guava lime refresher, a perfect combination for iftar and Ramadan gatherings. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed cooking with us today, and please subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Remember, these recipes are not only delicious but also affordable and beginner-friendly, making them perfect for anyone wanting to try something new during Ramadan. Join us next time for more culinary adventures. Ramadan Mubarak and Mas Salama.